Hey, food lovers! Today we're diving into a charming adventure at Maplewood Café. Meet Emma, our delightful diner for the day. Entering the restaurant, Emma steps into the cozy restaurant, feeling right at home. The place is calm and inviting. A friendly waiter spots her and approaches with a warm smile. Waiter: "Good afternoon. Welcome to Maplewood Café. Would you like a table or a booth?" Emma: "Hi, a table please." Waiter: "Of course. Right this way." The waiter leads Emma to a cozy table by the window. She settles in, excited for what's to come. Waiter: "Here's your menu. Would you like something to drink while you take a look?" Emma: "Yes, I'd love an iced coffee, please." Waiter: "Would you like it black or with milk and sugar?" Emma: "With milk and just a little sugar." Waiter: "Got it. I'll be right back with your drink." Emma begins to explore the menu, her excitement growing. Soon the waiter returns with her iced coffee. Waiter: "Here's your iced coffee. Have you decided what you'd like to eat?" Emma: "Yes, I'll have the grilled salmon with mashed potatoes and a side of sautéed vegetables." Waiter: "Great choice. Would you like any sauce with your salmon? We have lemon butter, garlic herb, or teriyaki." Emma: "Lemon butter, please." Waiter: "Excellent. I'll get that started for you. It should be ready in about 15 minutes. Emma: "Sounds good, thank you." Emma takes a sip of her iced coffee, savoring the moment. The waiter soon returns, carefully placing the meal before her. Waiter: "Here's your grilled salmon with lemon butter, mashed potatoes, and sautéed vegetables. Enjoy your meal." Emma: "Thank you. It looks delicious." Emma takes her first bite, her face lighting up with joy. The flavors are spot on. Stay tuned for more adventures at Maplewood Café. Don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe for more tasty adventures. See you next time. Bye.